Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Tech Boy. It's another sharing session. Let's continue to talk about professional chemical engineering organization. And today we'll be talking about AIChE. Actually, right now I'm not the member of AIChE, but back then during I'm in my university, I used to join AIChE student chapter in my university and also become the president of AIChE student chapter. So yeah, a little bit I know about AIChE organization and also the events and other stuff. So yeah, I think that I want to share to you guys about this organization. So let's start. The same with the previous video when I talk about AIChE, I want to share this organization through their website. So yeah, this is the home screen of the AIChE website. We could see the slogan here, the global home of chemical engineers. And they claim to have more than 60,000 members from more than 110 countries with more than 40 technical and professional communities. Wow, yeah, that's a big amount. They have three pillars, and then they also post emerging events, yeah, that will be conducted soon. Okay, there are several conferences here, and also some latest news from AIChE. I want to highlight several strong points of AIChE, and the first one is about the division and also forums. Division and forums is the place where you can exchange your ideas. Uh, you can meet the people that have the same interest with you. So yeah, definitely an important part of a chemical engineering opportunity because as a chemical engineer, you have several field of interest. Let's see the divisions. We have several such as for catalysts, education division, computing and system technology, food, pharmaceutical, fuel and petrochemical, yeah, process development. Wow, this one is very important, I guess, for undergraduates. So another one is forums. Forums is more to the platform for discussion, yeah, and to exchange ideas. There are several platforms like particle technology, nanoscale science, computational molecular science. Yeah, well, that's a good one. So definitely, if you are an AIChE member, you can join this forum and also division. The next one is about conference and events. So you could see there are several conference. There are also student events. Yeah, yeah, these are the list of the conference. Yeah, for me, this is quite a lot. And conference venue mostly in USA, but also some in Australia and also in Europe. Definitely, AIChE have a lot of conference and events, yeah, that you can join as a member. And the next one is about publication. So the famous publication from AIChE is called CAP. Yeah, CAP is the magazine, monthly magazine. And for me, the most interesting contents inside the magazine is about the salary survey. So this one is very interesting because I could know how is the condition of chemical engineering job in USA. I think this is very important to see if the chemical engineering job is still have a great potential or not. So definitely you should check it out. So the latest issue here is July 2025. We could see a little bit about it. So here we could see the titles of articles that contains inside the magazine. Yeah, the topics is diverse. Yeah, here we have process safety and then also sustainability, catalysts. So yeah, very diverse topic. In June, we have the salary survey results. Yeah, very interesting. Yeah, if you want to access the article without being the member, you need to pay around $300. So the next publication that I want to highlight is about the this back to basics. Actually, there are a lot of AIChE publications, but as a newcomer chemical engineers, yeah, back to basics is a very good one. For undergraduate students, this might be very useful also for you. For example, I show you here the Back to Basics article for absorption. This is the article that I used to learn absorption at the first place. For me, this article is very insightful, and I found it to be very useful and easy to be understand for the beginners. The way it explains very good. There are also several figures to explain. The next thing is about the academy, AIChE Academy. As a chemical engineering organization, learning is also a very important part of it. Here we have several topics. Yeah. For example, crystallization, distillation, chemical engineering for non-chemical engineers. Wow, this one is very interesting. Has yeah, there are a lot of topics here. And for the type of course, you can choose also whether it is face-to-face or live webinars, e-learning, and so on. And skill level, do you want to have it as a basic, intermediate, or advanced course? So you could see if I choose advanced, they will sort out which topic is suitable for advanced. Another thing is about the webinar. Yeah, they have a lot of webinar here, and the topic is very interesting as well. It's such as machine learning, molecular discovery with chemical process. Wow. Net zero emissions, chemical reactions. Yeah, there are a lot of topics here. So definitely you should check this out. And last thing is actually about the safety certification, yeah, or SACHI. This is one of the big reasons why I want to join AIChE because the safety certification is very good one. They have a very structural learning experience and very comprehensive as well. So yeah, for me, one of my reason to join AIChE is to get the SACHI certification. So if you want to have a career in process safety, I think you should join AIChE for this certification. So maybe you're interested after I explain to you about the member benefit. In the membership page, you could see that there are several type of members, but classification is a little bit different with IChEME. They don't have like a fellow member and then affiliate member, no, but they have, I can say three. The first one is student, of course, where you can get the membership for free. And then for the professional, it is divided into two classification. The first one is the AIChE Explorer. This is like the light version. You only need to pay $72 per year. And you have also like the premium version, which is called as AIChE Pro. For professional, you need to pay around $200. You can see also the difference. Yeah, if you are only the light version, you can only access to one article of CEP per month, and then you can grant one free code for the academy. Yeah, but for the pro version, you get full access to CEP and also to book journal white papers. You will get member discounts, unlimited credit for academy webinar. Wow, this one is very interesting, right? So if you are planning to have an intensive learning in AIChE, definitely you can go to the AIChE Pro option. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye bye.